Open Google Chrome and search for Spring Initializr and select the first appeared website. Select the type of project Gradle or Maven and select the language you want to choose for development. Select the snapshot version and then change the group name, artifact, project name, and package name for your application. Add dependencies required for your project from the Add Dependencies button on top right corner. Click on Generate button and you will get a zip file. Extract the zip file, then you will get the Spring Boot application. Open the project on any IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ. I'm using IntelliJ here. Here you can see all the list of projects you opened in IntelliJ. To open the new project, click on File, Open, select the project you had downloaded. Open the main Java class and run the project from top toolbar. The Maven takes some time to build in the IDE. Here you can see I am getting error because of Java version. My project is Java version 21, but my PC has 23 version. I am changing my Java version to 21 in the IDE itself, and I am going to run the project again. Finally, my Spring Boot application is running successfully in port number 8080 in my local computer.